Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check the cable, enclosure, and power so the drive spins reliably. Once connected, make sure the host recognizes the device in Disk Utility or LSB-LK. This tells you whether the issue is bus, partition, or file system. Install essential tools like Test Disk and a smart monitor. You need admin privilege to run diagnostics. Begin with a non-destructive read-only probe, so you don't overwrite data, while gathering precise device identifiers and error patterns for the next steps. You now diagnose methodically. Check smart attributes and read kernel logs to separate mechanical faults from logical corruption. If hardware is stable, clone the disk with ddresq to preserve data. This minimizes further wear. Once you have a clone or a readable device, run test disk to rebuild partition tables or recover file entries. It recovers metadata without rewriting intact data. After partitions are restored, run the appropriate file system repair, chkdsk, fsck, or diskutal, because fixing metadata structures is what makes files mount again. You finish by validating recovered files against originals when possible, and copy the most important data to a different, reliable drive immediately. Once data is safe, decide whether to reformat, run a full surface scan, or retire the disk. Persistent bad sectors mean replace the unit. If you still see read/write errors after cloning and repair, stop writing and consult a professional recovery service. Continued attempts can worsen physical damage. A final tip: keep a verified backup strategy to avoid repeat emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.